We're going to do a quick video on how to remove drive select on a Jeep Grand Cherokee, the one that has the electronic shifter. It is pretty simple. All you have to do is pull up on it. It exposes the plastic unit, and then you use a 4mm hex drive or a Torx bit. I think you can use, I'll throw the number on the screen because I don't have it currently. I just used a 4mm hex bit to get it out, and then that releases this entire unit right here. You don't have to do anything else as far as taking up trim. All you have to do after releasing this bolt is pick it up, and that's it. Just like that. And make sure we throw in the screw right here. Okay, that should be on. Let's get this thrown on the vehicle. To get it back on, put it on and just click it into place and you're good to go. And I will show you that the shifter works once again.